Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome again to Mathematics and I. Today we have a question that we are going to be solving, and the question is unsolved. And the question says we should simplify root 2 over 2 root 2 minus root 3 minus root 3 over 2 root 2 plus root 3. How do we go about this type of question? Now, sit back and relax and listen as I begin to explain. But if this is the first time joining us, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and also don't forget to share our videos. Okay, let's begin the class. Now, when we have a question like this, it means we have to rationalize. And why are we rationalizing? We are rationalizing because of the root sign at the denominator. Now, rationalization is the process of eliminating or removing the root sign from the denominator of a fraction. Okay, now, this is the basic step we're going to be applying in solving this question. We have two parts of the fractions here, which we are going to be solving. And we have a negative sign, a minus sign, of course, separating these two fractions. This is what we're going to do without wasting time. Now, the numerator multiplies here, and the numerator multiplies the denominator of the other fraction. So it looks something like this. The numerator is root 2, into the bracket of what's the denominator, 2 root 2 plus root 3, minus the numerator is root 3, into the bracket of the denominator, which is 2 root 2 minus root 3. Are you with me? All over. Now the denominator multiplies the denominator, which is 2 root 2 minus root 3 and 2 root 2 plus root 3. Simple as that. Simple as that. Now let's proceed. Let us open the bracket, sorry. Now, root 2 times root 2 will give us 2 brackets 2. Now, the question is, how did I get brackets 2? Look up. Root 2 times root 2 is root 4, but the square root of 4 is 2. Now, this 2 is this 2 that is outside. It doesn't change. Now, plus. Now, root 2 times root 3 gives us root 6. How did I get 6? 2 multiplied by 3 gives us 6. Simple. Now, we have opened the first bracket. Let's go to the second one. What sign do I have? Minus. Now, root 3 times 2 root 2 gives us 2 root 6. How did I get root 6? 3 multiplied 2. Now, note, only a number inside a root can multiply another number inside the root. For instance, if I have 4 times root 2, there is no way that 4 can multiply 2. Never. Because why? 4 is not inside a root. But if I should say root 4 times root 2, yes, 4 can actually multiply what? 2, because 4 and 2 are both inside a given root. Okay, now, minus times minus gives us plus, and root 3 times root 3 gives us 3. How did I get 3? Root 3 times root 3 is root 9, but the square root of 9 is 3. Simple. All over. Now here, what we're going to do is this. If you see very well, the denominator is difference of 2 squares. We have 2 root 2 minus root 3, we have 2 root 2 plus root 3. How do you solve difference of 2 squares? It is very simple. Now 2 root 2 multiply only 2 root 2. Root 3 multiply only root 3. Simple. You don't need to use 2 root 2 to multiply both and root 3 to multiply both. No need for that, because they are difference of 2 squares. So let's multiply. Now 2 times 2 gives us 4. Okay, let me write this back up. Okay, now 2 times 2 gives us 4. Root 2 times root 2 gives us 2. Because why? Root 2 times root 2 is root 4, and the square root of 4 is 2. Now, minus times plus gives us minus, and root 3 times root 3 gives us 3. Simple. It is as simple as this. Are you with me? Now let's go. 2 times 2, the bracket next times. 2 times 2 gives us 4. Now, I have root 6. Are you with me? I have root 6. Now, both are carrying root 6, so it means I can work with both of them. Now, don't forget that this root 6 is carrying an invisible one here. So, if I have 1 root 6 minus 2 root 6, what would the answer be? It's mean minus 1 root 6, because why? 2 root 6 is bigger than 1 root 6. But there's nothing like 1 root 6, just say minus root 6. So, if I have something like this, 4 root 6 minus 3 root 6, because the roots are the same, I can do 4 minus 3. And 4 minus 3 is 1. And no need writing 1 root 6. It doesn't make sense. Just write simply what? Root 6. So if here now is 4, and then here is 3. Then the answer becomes minus root 6 because why? 4 is bigger than 3. And you cannot remove a big number from a small number. Are you with me? Good. So here becomes minus root 6 plus 3 over 4 times 2 gives us 8 minus 3. It's as simple as that. Good. Now let's proceed. I can't remove root 6 from 4 because why? 4 is not carrying root 6. But I can add 3 to 4 because they are just numbers. So 4 plus 3 gives us 7. Okay, let me erase this. Okay, 4 plus 3 gives us 7. Now, minus root 6 all over 8 minus 3 gives us 5. So this becomes the answer. If you notice now, the denominator is not carrying a root sign because why? We have been able to successfully rationalize this question. And like I said from the beginning of the class, rationalization is a process of eliminating or removing the root signs from the what? Denominator. The roots can be at the numerator, there is no problem, but when the root is at the denominator, then you need to rationalize. So we have come to the end of today's class. Thank you for being with me, thank you for watching, and thank you for sharing in advance. Till we meet again in our next class, keep on watching Mathematics and I, keep on subscribing, and keep on sharing. Bye for now.